Hey there everybody on YouTube. This video is on a 1999 Ford Explorer V6 with the 4.0 SOH engine. Today I'm going to show you an easier way to disconnect the oil pressure sender unit or the oil sensor. Okay, so we're going to go to the original spot where most people tell you to look. It's under the driver's side wheel well. If you have these flaps, they just pull right off. Get one more here. Now, it's a little dark in there, but that unit straight ahead, right there, is the oil pressure sending unit. Now, in that location, it's very difficult. If your hands are as big as mine, to get in there, I was having a lot of difficulty, so I went underneath. Underneath the vehicle, you gain pretty good access. There. So that piece there is the oil pressure sending unit that I was able to access from underneath the vehicle, just past the front axle here in the front of the vehicle. Now you will get a little oil spillage, so don't be directly underneath it. And this is all you need to change the oil pressure sending unit. Basic socket, a 13/16 deep socket, socket wrench, and deep socket. I bought a 10-inch extension, a 5-inch extension, and this little guy here I just threw on for the kicks. I was able to reach the unit very easily with these pieces here. Once I disconnected the wire from underneath the vehicle, the total job probably took about 3 minutes. Alright, thanks for watching. More updates.